Sino yung mga horses? Anong gag... Hindi tayo pwedeng lumapit dito. Baka maanuhan tayo. Draft horses.
I'm sorry, but I just couldn't distinguish between the two. It's usually more important to...
Ang ganda yung horses na yun yung white ang legs nila tapos black sila. Ang ganda nila. Yan ang gusto kong horses. Silang dalawa. Silang nanalo siguro.
I'd also like to recognize the Gypsy Cobs of Pride of Place.
Ang ganda talaga. Oo.
I have never had my opportunity to judge a show where there's the Gypsy Cobs.
Oh, tapos yun ang second.
These two horses here have very good working relationships.
Mahal kayong horses.